CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Director General of Police yang West Bengal Usitnat Gupta uliathu bagidan kuma arspa taliki ijahar hagi thanat bafer jaga West Bengal persya igi breu Thaw Jingkulmar hak Sngi Niew board but hadu mentau uliathu bagidan sauspa lifeline ngut kibsya kem namar bagi degi badan geti ban penmi Jingkulmar but sakhat wais pangut pat kidegi blak kem lupa da ki polit syuabing Thaw Jingkulmar kani jingkran DGP kedai hadin baka Election Commission of India kala hukum yu Chief Secretary ber yu DGP kumjuru yagi CAPF bagi de ben pentingna bakanum don kanu ka Jingkulmar u DGP uli thuru bala Weng no kattu kani gi bor Pahara na Ïing jaka menteri rengba ban sakut no ka jingtrekam jongka kata ka Mamata Banerjee bat la Weng ru kattu kani gi bor Pahara na Ïing jo General Secretary ka TMC Abhishek Banerjee uderu MP jaka Lok Sabha u DGP ul ong bala bu bor Pahara Ïing jongki katkum ka rukom bade ban bu om ban bu palat put ula maham ru yaki pajba bakim day ban le syongshit namar baka an ka bot na din jongki ula kentu balada dan kanu ka jingpen keny an ki pajba ki ben pentip siki pulit bakin le yak don kam ha West Bengal matagi don sanspa perton gi CAPF ban pej bakan mi kanu ka Jingkulmar bat ken ye don tat hadu bandayo da ka weipat ka hukum na ka ECI.
Since day 4 yesterday, after the announcement of result, there have been incidents of violence including threatening, assault, intimidation, and on those incidents we have registered more than 200 FIRs and we have arrested 433 persons during investigation of those FIRs. Apart from that, we have arrested more than 1100 persons in preventive sections. And after these things, from today morning, there has been no incident of any assault or any violence from today morning.
Sir, how many deaths like in Newtown?
There have been 2 deaths which has been reported, one at Nanur and one at Newtown. So we are in investigation in both these cases. We have been able to arrest the persons who were actually involved in these cases.
And what is the case in Najat area yesterday?
Najat area, yes, yesterday local police station OC Najat had got the information that a group is assembling and they are about to attack on another group of different community. On hearing this information, OC Najat along with the available CAPF force, they went to the spot. As soon as they reached there, and when they were about to get down from the vehicle, a firearm was used against them and a fire was shot at them. So pellets injury occurred in respect of 5 persons, including 2 police persons, 2 CAPF persons. Now all of them are okay. And yesterday till night we conducted a raid, and up to morning we had arrested 4 persons. Raids are still continuing. See, there might be grievances against some persons. These grievances might be genuine or whatever these are. They have to approach the police station. They have to lodge a complaint and wait for the police to take legal steps against them. There is no need to take law and order in their own hands, and we have to maintain calm, peace and tranquility.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.